In this video, I want to take you through the steps for doing the yearly maintenance on your E-2000 whole house salt-free softener with UV disinfection. To accomplish this, we'll need a new sediment filter, model E-100R, and a new UV lamp, model L420C. Step 1 is to unplug the UV system from power and shut off the main water supply. Next, I'll open the nearest faucet to relieve the water pressure. Now, using the wrench, I can remove the inlet side housing. Make sure to support the housing from the bottom, as it will be full of water and weigh about 15 pounds. On an E-2000, the outlet side cartridge, which is your E-soft, does not need to be replaced. With the water poured out, I'm ready to remove the old cartridge as well as the old O-ring. Next, I'll wipe the O-ring groove with a clean cloth. Next, I'll prep the new included O-ring by fully lubricating it with the included silicone grease. Now, this is a food grade silicone grease, so there's no worries getting it on your fingers. Any residual will clean up with some typical dish soap. Now I can install the new O-ring to the housing. As well as install the new sediment filter. Next, I'll reinstall the housing to the manifold, hand tighten it first, and then snugging it up with the wrench. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, I'll remove the grounding screw from the grounding nut. Now, with a quarter turn, I'll remove the lamp from the gland nut and disconnect the lamp plug from the lamp. Be careful, the lamp could be hot. Next, I need to remove and discard the old lamp key. Next, I'll install the new lamp, making sure not to touch the glass with my bare hands. I'll connect the lamp plug to the lamp. It only connects one way. Then, with a quarter turn, I'll connect the lamp to the gland nut. Now I can reconnect the grounding screw to the grounding nut. Now I'll install the new lamp key to the power supply. Next, I'm ready to slowly turn the main water supply back onto the system. I made sure to leave that nearest faucet open so that we can relieve any trapped air from the plumbing system. Once the water runs smoothly, I'll allow the system to flush for 10 minutes. Lastly, I'll plug the UV system back into power. The UV system will now go into its startup procedures. For video, we've shortened the process, but in real time, it takes about 2.5 minutes. Ultimately, you're looking for the check mark and the 365-day counter. Your system is now ready for use. If you have questions on maintaining your kind system, give us a call at 888-614-5559.